Hey, Ajani, Malik here, certified personal trainer and health coach. Okay, so part 2 and tips 4 through 6 as far as how to make exercising into a daily habit. Okay, so tip number 4 is to schedule your workouts in advance. So you want to get your calendar, if it's a Google Calendar or whatever, you want to make sure that you schedule out the workouts every day in advance. And remember, it should be at the same time as possible every single day. Now, you want to make sure that you make this a priority. All right, whatever you put into it is what you're going to get from it. So schedule it on your calendar and treat it like it's a doctor's appointment. So if someone calls you, you simply tell them, "Sorry, can't talk right now. I have a doctor's appointment." And actually, when you look at it in that context, then exercising is actually more important than a doctor's appointment, because one of the benefits from exercising is that it's going to improve your overall health and energy and productivity, thereby hopefully reducing your number of visits to the doctor's appointments. So in some sense, we can actually say that this is actually more important than a doctor's appointment. But with that in mind, again, so tip number 4 is that you want to schedule your workouts, treat them with priority. If anyone calls you, you have to answer the phone, tell them you can't talk, you have a doctor's appointment. Okay, so tip number 5 for how to make exercising into a daily habit. Okay, so tip number 5 is you want to make sure that you lay out your gear before you exercise. So if you can do it the night before, and what I mean by that is you want to make sure that you get your gym bag together, get your pants, nice comfortable clothing, get your pants, get your top, make sure you have your sneakers, a water bottle, also your music, and also you always want to make sure that you have your accessories like gloves and your wraps, and also a water bottle. So that is tip number 5 as far as how to make exercising into a habit. And remember that if you enjoyed these videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel below and make sure that you make comments. Okay, so now we are up to tip number 6 as far as how to make exercising into a daily habit. So tip number 6, do not skip a day. Simple as that. Do not skip. So you want to make sure, again, that we are trying to create a habit. So you want to make sure you do it every single day. Even if you are not feeling 100%, then that's no reason not to maybe just go for a short walk. But you want to do some form of exercising. You want to stay active, because the key here is that we want to make this into a habit. And the more that we do it, the easier it will become. So tip number 6 is do not skip. If by chance that you do, no big deal. Don't beat yourself up. But you want to make sure that you get right back out there the next day. So it's tip number 6. So let's have a quick review. So number 4, schedule your workouts. You want to make sure that you put them on a calendar and that you stick with that calendar. If someone calls you, you want to make sure you have a doctor's appointment. "Sorry, can't talk right now. Okay, my health is a priority. I need to take care of some business. I need to take care of my business." Okay, the next tip was to make sure that you have your gear ready. So you want to make sure that you have nice comfortable clothing, some nice comfortable sneakers, pants, top, water bottle, a towel, and also some music as well. And then the 6th tip was not to skip a day. We just want to go completely through the process, 20 to 30 minutes a day, and you'll be going in the right direction. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel below, and also make comments. So this is Ajani Malik, a fitness expert and health coach.